This week I'm testing the Honda CR-V. It's a 7-seat SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Remember to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. In the back of the Honda CR-V there are ISOFIX in the two outer second row seats. Now there are 5 top tether anchorages back here, which is fantastic. However, they're maybe not very well thought through. For the second row seats, they are above the headrests of the third row passengers, so any top tether anchorages are going to obscure the headroom for that third row. Now the third row top tether anchorages are underneath the boot floor here, and there's a little disc you remove and then you've got to install them yourself. But of course if you've got top tether anchorages going across here, then that's really going to affect your boot space too. Accessing the third row is a bit tricky in the CR-V if you've got child seats installed in this second row. They're split 60-40, however with child seats installed you've got to remove one of them in order to get through. Now, it's not very practical to fit 5 child seats in the back here because you can't access this third row without removing a child seat to get through. However, having the 5 top tether anchorages does give you the flexibility for where you position child seats. When you're using all 3 rows of seats, legroom is a consideration. I could fit in the front 170 centimetre driver, I could fit in front of a rear facing child seat with a forward facing child seat or a 170 centimetre passenger behind. With a forward facing child seat in the second row, you could get a taller 180 centimetre passenger in the front and a 170 centimetre passenger or forward facing child seat in the back. There's ventilation in all 3 rows of seats in the CR-V. There's a panel in the ceiling above the second and third row full of air vents and controls to ventilate back there. You can also turn those on and off from the front dashboard. Storage in the front of the Honda CR-V is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a phone charging well and there's 2 USB ports there too. Behind is a nice sized central console box with a removable panel. The glove box is a good size in here, that will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. The door bins are really good in here, you could get a couple of drinks bottles in there and a bit of space for something else too. And there's the storage wells in the handles and there's a glasses case in the ceiling and conversation mirror in the ceiling too. In the second row the storage is good too. The door bins are a really good size, you can get a couple of bottles in there and there are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. In the third row there are drinks bottle holders that fold down, they are a little bit flexible though. The boot of the Honda CR-V opens manually on this model. It's got this great shelf in the boot that allows you to store things underneath it. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When using 5 seats, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 7 shopping bags, a tandem stroller and 6 shopping bags, a single stroller and 6 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a large dog. When using all 7 seats, it will hold 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 2 shopping bags. Honda have added a lot of safety features to this new model and they're standard across the range apart from in the base model. Now this is the base model 7-seat SUV and it's really comfortable to drive and nice to use with my family. For a 7-seater it is small and easy to park, and I do find that it's easy to get around town and park in car parks like schools and supermarkets. The media system in the Honda CR-V is really basic, but it's pretty simple to navigate and use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is great. When you put it into reverse, the camera image does fill the whole screen. It is a little bit pixelated and you've got a couple of different views to choose from. To sum up with the Honda CR-V, it does make a nice family car. However, those top tether anchorage positions are disappointing. It's good that you can get 5 child seats in, but they're not really practical to use. It's a great car to drive and the media system isn't too bad and the boot space is good.